This is premium auto security in Perth, Western Australia, demonstrating the Ghost Immobiliser installed to a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander. The Ghost is also available for majority of vehicles that support the CAN bus data network. The Ghost works by pressing certain steering wheel buttons of your choice to disable the immobiliser. In this instance, I've programmed the resume, the set, the cancel, and the cruise control buttons. This code can be changed at any time you please. The Ghost is mainly designed so if somebody steals your keys, they cannot steal your vehicle unless they tow it. Also handy so when you're out of town and you're not wanting anybody else driving your car like your teenage kids, this system will make sure your car is exactly where you left it when you get back. Let's give it a go. So without putting the pin in, I'll try and start it. And what happens is nothing. The car just won't start at all. So now we'll try it with putting the pin in. So we'll turn the key on and resume button, set, cancel, cruise on, cruise off. In this case, I need to turn the key off for 1 second, then back to on and start it. The only reason I have to turn the key off on this car is because that's how this vehicle is programmed, but 99% of other vehicles you don't have to switch the ignition off. So that's it. It's as simple as that. So if anyone in Perth is interested in having a Ghost installed to their vehicle, please see my info in the description area below and contact me. Thank you.